Hey, what's up guys, Sam from BSc Tech. Today's video is about how to actually hide your pictures and videos from your gallery. As you can see, we have plenty of pictures and videos in this gallery. For example, if we would like to hide these two pictures, you have to do is select them and then click on the small box, and after that click on hide. Once you hit the hide button, it will give you option to hide these two photos. These photos will be hidden, but you can find them in the hidden album. You can choose to show or hide album in the settings. So this is a problem, guys. When you click on this, you can still see them in your hidden folder, which is available in your albums. And if you scroll down, you can see that just underneath this import section, we have a folder called hidden files, and in this folder you can see all those hidden pictures. So if you give your phone to somebody and if somebody has access to your phone, they can easily watch that. So how you can disable this option? All you have to do is go into your settings section, and you can look for photos, and once you are in the photos setting page, you can scroll down, and as you can see that we have a tab called hidden album. When enabled, the hidden album will appear in the albums tab under utilities. So all you have to do is to uncheck this box and then go back into your albums on your picture gallery and scroll down, and then you can see that we have a missing folder. So once you hit that again, the hidden files will appear again in utilities section, as you can see the option in the middle. So this is how you can enable or disable the hidden folder option on your iOS devices. I'll show you that I'm currently using iOS 14.2. so after iOS 13, Apple has changed this setting in the general section, so you can use this. Thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. I'll bring more videos. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.